Wondering where your order stands? In this quick video, I'll show you how to check the status of any order directly from your mwcomponents.com account. Start by heading to mwcomponents.com and click Sign In. Here, you'll enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, you'll be able to view your orders. These are past and current. On this page, you can easily check the status of each order to see if it's processing or done, which means it's shipped and complete. If you want more information, you just click on the order number and you'll be able to see full order details, including part numbers, ship dates, and tracking info once available. That's it. You can check the status of your order anytime right from your account. If you have any questions on a specific order, our team is here to help. Thank you.